Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So namhlanje ade ngilalele i-live. Kade khuluma khona uKaizer Junior Mtawonke bafethu ade host uRobert Marawa. Mungayibukanga ke le live le bafethu kumele uye lapha ka YouTube uyoyibukela. I-live ebaluleke kakhulu. Mumlandeli nje weKaizer Chiefs ngicela uhambe uyoyibuka. So ngizokhuluma nje ngezinto engiyibonile ehighlightiwe kule live le. Mase ngizokhuluma ngaye yena lo mjidi uSD weKaizer Chiefs. Yabo abantu abaningi ke aba understand ukuthi yini kahle kahle uSporting Director, yabo. Sporting director is a big thing. Is a big thing in a football club. Yabo, ngizokhuluma ngaye and ne position ayinikezwa ukuze abe sporting director. Yabo, le position le akusiyona position encane. Ever since umjida ebile sporting director, yes, ukwazile ukuthi ayinikeze iKaizer Chiefs iNedbank Cup. But ke let's look at the role. Yabo, ukuthi kahle kahle yini sporting director. Uma subhela, kuthiwa sporting director umuntu responsible of ukuthatha ama decisions akhona kwi club. Akwazi ukuhandlisha izinto with iKaizer Chiefs, iboard yeKaizer Chiefs, akhulume neboard yeKaizer Chiefs uma kunabadlali kumele bathengwe, aphinde futhi akhulume ne technical team. Yabo, uyena othatha ama decisions amaningi. Ama responsibilities o identify italente, scouting abadlali and negotiation ama transfers nama contracts. Akwazi futhi ukuthi aqhamuke nephilosophy futhi iKaizer kumele idlale kanjani, i-team kumele idlale kanjani, i-identity yabo ye-team ukuthi kumele ibe kanjani. Aqoshwe coach, aqashwe coach. Uyena umsebenzi wakhe kwiKaizer Chiefs aqashelwe yona uKaizer Junior Mtawonke, yabo. So singa understand lapho ke singayibamba lapho, yabo. Ever since umjide efikile, ever since wasithatha lesasihlalo, ongibalele nje coach seyiba coach iKaizer Chiefs. Ngibalele nje coach seyibakhozi coach iKaizer Chiefs. Abantu abaningi bangayithatha lento le engazuthi mhlawumbe abantu abaningi abathanda ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs iphathwe yini, iphathwe abantwana bakaMtawonke. Cha, Orlando Pirates inayo uMpumi Khoza. Yabo, Orlando Pirates inaye uMpumi Khoza, but ke uMpumi Khoza akasiyona iSporting Director kuOrlando Pirates. Yes, ukhona kuOrlando Pirates, but yena akasiyona iSporting Director. Ukhona umsebenzi obekelwe abantu abakanjalo. If ukhumbula kahle kwakunabantu abaqashelwe lo umsebenzi loyo. Abantu engasibona abantu bakwiOrlando Pirates, abantu engasibona bakwaKhoza. Yabo, I feel like ngimele ngihighlight lokho. If ubakhumbula uFloyd Mbele, if ubakhumbula abantu abanje ngoScreamer Shabalala babeqashiwe under Orlando Pirates, oPalacios, yabo abantu abakanjalo, yabo babe bama directors kuOrlando Pirates kwizinto ezikanjalo, akusibona bakaKhoza. Same as Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns ino sporting director kuba Fleming Bhek owakuphi na, akusiyena owakephi owakaMotsepe. Akusiyona wakaMotsepe, kodwa ukhona umfana wakaMotsepe, uHlophe Motsepe, ukhona as a acting chairman yeMamelodi Sundowns. Ukhona as an acting chairman yeMamelodi Sundowns, same as uMpumi Khoza. Ukhona lapho kuOrlando Pirates. Uyafunda ukuthi izinto kumele zenziwe kanjani because uyazi yena ngokwakhe ifuture Orlando Pirates isezandleni zakhe. Same as uHlophe Motsepe, ifuture yeMamelodi Sundowns isezandleni zakhe. Yabo, ilegacy lezoshiya ubaba wakhe, yabo, nayo uzoyishiyela ingane zakhe. Same as kwiKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, kwiKaizer Chiefs ke ku tricky nyana kwiKaizer Chiefs because uJunior uthathe irole yokuthi abe uSporting Director. Akufani njengalabo abanye abawuthiwe ngibabalile. iSporting Director i-involved kuyibhola ukuthi i-team mele yenze njani. I-involved. I-team yenza kambi, uSporting Director mele axoshwe. I-team ingadlali kahle, uSporting Director mele axoshwe. Mina ngokwami, I think that's the fall of iKaizer Chiefs. That is the fall of iKaizer Chiefs. Why kungaqashwa umuntu ozobe iSporting Director ekahle? Why kungaqashwa umuntu kanjalo? Yabo, that was the highlight of that live engiyibonile ukuthi okay, mina ngokwami yes ngiyamuzwa uyakhuluma ukuthi yena ngokwakhe ever since efikile, yabo, i-team yenza kahle and coach laba baqashiwe and at the end of the season bazohamba uma bengaperformi kahle. I-contract yabo is performance based. But mina ngokwami as a sporting director you have a role ebalulekile of i-team yenza kambi. Yabona right now Mamelodi Sundowns, they are very close at firing ubani uFleming Bhek because uFleming Bhek akuyenzi kahle. There is a person abangamxosha uma i-team ingenzi kahle because uyena we responsible of ukusayina abadlali abaningi, uyena we responsible of ukulanda lo coach lo okhona right now, uyena we responsible of ukuxosha ubani oxoshwa kuManqoba Mnqithi. Kunomuntu responsible. There is a person that you can fire for a situation like that. So that is why ngisho mina ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ishoda ngalapho. Yabo, lumfana angaba khona kwiKaizer Chiefs, angaba khona kwiKaizer Chiefs, angaba khona kwiboard yeKaizer Chiefs, but once you put the player, not the player per se, but once you put uJunior as i-sporting director, that is where i-team izobheda khona, yabo. But ke omunye umuntu angasho okunye, yabo, omunye angasho okunye, but for me that is the fall of i-Kaizer Chiefs. If they fix the sporting director position, everything will work out just fine. But if they continue with Junior as a sporting director, kusazoqhubeka nje kungenzeki kahle, because I feel like ukuba i-sporting director it's not something that you can just wake up and be a sporting director. You need connections to be a sporting director. You need deep connections. If you saw Flemingberg, I heard the news kuthiwa Flemingberg spoke with coach wani wale coach Chicago Fire FC. Umngani no coach we Chicago Fire FC. Imagine i-connection kanjalo. Wakhuluma naye washo ukuthi kunomdlali ontsompu kakhulu la eSouth Africa obizwa ngoMbekezeli Mbokazi. Imagine i-connection kanjalo, yabo. uFlemingberg wakwazi ukuthi akhulume nabantu, yabo, bafike la South Africa bazokwazi bathenge uMbokazi ku Orlando Pirates. Izinto ezikanjalo, you cannot buy something like that. That is connection. Ama-connection lawa wakwazi uFlemingberg ukuthi ahambe athathe Mamelodi Sundowns oyifaka ku-transfer room ukuthi Sundowns ikwazi ukuthi ilande ama-players overseas, ilande ama-players ale ko-South America, ku-Europe, yabo. There is connections. You need something like that. If you're a sporting director, you need something like that. A sporting director like uKaizer Junior Mtaung ulanda ama-free agents. Ama-free agents is not something you can build the team around. Ama-free agents, yes, uyakwazi ukuthi ugcine imali, but building a team like i-Kaizer Chiefs, you cannot just bring any player noma ikuphi from Orlando Pirates, from Mamelodi Sundowns. No, you need quality players, yabo, to play for i-team enkulu kanje. But ke all I'm saying is that omunye angacabanga okunye. Sporting director kumele ishintshe lapha. Ungaba khona kwi-team ungamlanda uPeter Msimane. Usengamlanda uPeter Msimane kusasa. Mumlando uPeter Msimane, athi uPeter Msimane ufuna bani na? Athi ufuna i-striker se-Pyramids. I-striker se-Pyramids, wena uthi cha angisithandi leso striker leso. As u-sporting director vele une-final say. Uthi uPeter uzofila kanjani lapho? uPeter uzofila kanjani? Muthu mekutshela ukuthi ufuna i-striker wena mase uthi cha. Ngiyazi afile kahle. So ngokwami mina kudingakala umuntu olaziyo ibhola. Yes, usekwadlala ibhola before asazi funa no wingena leyo, but ke yes usekwadlala umjida before ibhola, wadlalela yona iKaizer Chiefs, akaze ayidlalele enye team. But you can bring any coach. If leyo nkinga ingalungiswa kusazoqhubeka kube khona inkinga. Lungisani emuva qala before ni attack o coach. Yiloko nje ngingakusho bafethu.